Business Valuation Resources is excited to share a new DealStats enhancement with you, the new Deal Alert feature. DealStats provides extensive details on sold private and public companies, including information about the sold business and transaction information, financial statements and purchase price allocations, future, current, and historical earnings measures, deal terms, financial ratios, transaction multiples, and more. The Deal Alert feature allows you to receive notifications when new transactions are added to DealStats based on your specific saved search parameters. Additionally, you can specify how you wish to be notified of new transactions and at what frequency you wish to be notified. We have added this new feature because DealStats subscribers have requested to be notified when certain transactions have been added to the database. DealStats adds new transactions daily, so many subscribers wish to keep up on new deals as they become available. You may add a deal alert when saving a new search, and you may also add a deal alert for an existing saved search. To add a deal alert, navigate to the Notify Me of New Transactions heading and select either On Login, via email, or both. Next, specify the frequency at which you wish to be notified by selecting either daily, weekly, or monthly. You may modify your selections at any time. If you select via email, you will receive an email notification that provides an overview of the new transactions added based on your specified saved search. The email will provide basic information about the new transactions as well as a link to visit DealStats. If you select On Login, when you visit DealStats, you will notice a red notification by the Recent button. Clicking on Recent will display your saved searches. Your saved searches, where you have selected to be notified of new transactions, will have a red notification icon if new transactions are present. If you select a saved search that has a notification of new transactions, you will see a timestamp of when the database last checked for new transactions, and you will have the ability to view the new transactions by clicking the View New Transaction button. If you wish to be alerted of new transactions for a saved search and view those specific transactions once you visit DealStats, it may be beneficial to select both On Login and via email. Selecting via email will send a notification alert to your email address, and selecting On Login will allow you to access those new transactions using the View New Transactions button after you've visited DealStats. We hope you find the new Deal Alert feature helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please contact us at any time.